In this video, we will show you how to remove watermark on image easily using online tools. In here, you need to open bcat.com/online-watermark-remover and you hit enter. In here, you can remove watermark from image, even from video. In here, I have one image with watermark. For example, you can see here, this is have watermark look like this, and we'll try to remove this. And disclaimer, you must using image with the copyright materials. Okay. After that, we can try to remove watermark from image and select our image here. I will using extra large icon to make sure this image is true with watermark. Then we can click open. Now we need to select the watermark area with this cursor. Make sure to select smallest area, okay, to prevent your image crash, for example like this. And we can using AI or original. Let's using original one. Try to click erase, and after complete we can download the files, and we need to save on the same folder here. Let's see, and this is the results. And the number second, we can using AI if we want the smooth results. For example here, let's click remove watermark from image again and select the image with watermark. Then select the smallest part. After that, we can using AI and click erase. And we will compare the result from both using original and using AI. Now we need to download and give the name with AI, and let's see the results. Wow, it's better using AI rather than using original. As you can see, this is the default, and this is using AI, and this is original. You can see the original ones takes a blur, but the AI, the color is trying to get the similar with the base of your image. And that's all tutorial how to remove watermark from image using online tools. Hope this is helpful for you.